Number 3, what has been the most valuable investment advice you've ever been given?
Okay, so the best advice I got from my mum, who was a farmer, widowed at 45, and after my father died, proceeded to buy every one of her neighbours' properties during the drought. And she used to always say to me, they're not making any more land, so don't sell anything. But I didn't really take enough notice of that.
Very good. Did you, so at 45, is that what kind of spurred a bit of the School of Renovation for 40-year-old women as well?
Yeah.
Right, okay.
Yeah. Yes. I think that's when I realised, like, you know how they say a man's not a plan? Well,
I know I don't, but I like it.
That's in female empowerment land.
Right, okay.
But I just really got that. I understood that having a loving relationship is no insurance policy.
Yeah.
You've got to be able to stand on your own 2 feet.
That's great. I love it. I don't know.
Yeah.
Isn't it, man is not a plan? Well, I've never had to say that, I'll be honest, but I like it.
Yeah.
All right.
If you've got a daughter, you probably, that would be a good one to wheel out.